think in 2010 uni was fun, man. I mean, we had what? We had the whole of Booth Hall full, we had all of the old halls full, we even had to overflow into Alsager where I was, so there's literally thousands of us freshers. And I think that we all just buzzing with excitement. Even now, still reminisce about some of my modules. You know, even today I was thinking about cognitive neuroscience. I was on YouTube and I think something popped up. I was like, I used to study this, you know. I used to really enjoy doing stuff like that. So yeah, I love my degree. I'd say going through my university experience as a person of colour, I'd say the first thing I noticed was, I mean, I guess it's a bit different being in Crewe in the sense that there's not many black people in Crewe, period, let alone students. So it's my first time actually leaving such multicultural society in South London, coming to Crewe. That was a massive shock for me. So I kind of struggled at university at the beginning, simply because I didn't really feel like I could relate to anybody, or I didn't feel like anyone could relate to me because of my background. I remember the first time I went in that SU, I just had my hoodie up, pulled tight, and I just sat there. I was looking around like what is this? Simply because I didn't feel like anybody could understand me and I couldn't really understand everybody else. But then throughout my transition for university, I flipped it and used that as my advantage. I was like, right, I'm one of the few black people here. How can I use this to my advantage? Or right, I'm one of the few black people in Crewe. How can I use that to my advantage? So I always like to look at things like if they appear on the outlook to be negative, or if they appear on the outlook to not be in my favour, I always try to flip it and think, right, how can I use this to my advantage? How can I use this to help me to succeed?